Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn HTML easily. Let's start by understanding what HTML is. HTML, or Hypertext Markup Language, is the standard language for creating web pages. It uses a system of tags to structure content, telling your browser how to display text, images, and other media. Think of it as the skeleton of any website you visit. Once you grasp the basics, focus on essential HTML elements. You'll frequently use tags like H1 for headings, P for paragraphs, and A for creating links. The IM tag is crucial for adding images, while OL and ALL help organize lists. Understanding these core elements is fundamental to building any web page effectively. The best way to learn HTML is by doing. Start with small projects, perhaps a simple personal web page or a recipe card. Use a basic text editor and see your code come to life in a browser. Don't be afraid to experiment with different tags and attributes. Hands-on practice solidifies your understanding much faster than just reading. To continue your learning journey, leverage the many excellent online resources available, such as MDN Web Docs or W3 Schools. Engage with developer communities to ask questions and share your progress. Once comfortable with HTML, consider diving into CSS for styling and JavaScript for interactivity. Consistent practice is key to mastering web development.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.